This little video applies to anybody who uses Canon printers. Mine's a Canon Pro 10, that's pigment based. Don't know if it applies to Epson or other such models, but I witnessed the beginnings of a banding issue on my printer, and it's kind of a blessing in disguise that I have a product that I'm soon to release that has large areas of black, because I don't know if I would have noticed this on a lighter pigment. It's coming out on my sort of my brand new bamboo paper, and already I'm looking at this thinking it's kind of resolved itself. But what I want to show you are the maintenance tools that come with, oops, that's the QImage software. Mouse is all over the place. Hold on. So we've got all sorts here, and I noticed the banding on my old paper, and what you're doing in that case is, first of all, a nozzle check, which will show you any errors that are coming out. I'm not even going to bother showing you the banding issue because it's not going to show up on my phone. Certainly not when I've uploaded the video. But nozzle check came out all right. Nice sort of even distribution of colour. There's other bits and pieces you can do in the meantime. Is roller cleaning is a good one. Every time you do anything on your printer, there it goes. And yeah, it's sorted itself out. So anytime you do anything on your printer, it's going to use a spot of ink, which is an expensive business, especially when you're using pigment based. But it's necessary. I've had this printer for a couple of years now, and I don't neglect the cleaning cycles. I just don't need to do them that much because I use the printer every couple of days pretty religiously. When I go on holiday, I set my computer up to wake up at noon, do a little nozzle check or a test print or whatever, or an unclog, and then command it to go to sleep after 5 minutes. I'm never away for more than a couple of days at a time anyway, but yeah, when you're printing pigment based, it's kind of got to be a regular use thing, otherwise you're going to have to schedule unclogs quite often. But we've resolved it now. We did a bit of a roller cleaning after the nozzle check, and there's no banding. But if you've got something with large areas of black, it's well worth checking now and again, even if you're not selling any of these prints. This is actually my first print on bamboo, and it's come out absolutely magic. There's not as much texture on this paper as there is with the German etching paper. I think I might actually prefer that. So that's the more sustainable option, bamboo. Yeah, hope you found that helpful. What else we got? Ink quality maintenance, nozzle check, print head alignment's a good one. If the colours aren't coming out quite in the right order, like, you know, there's a misalignment kind of thing. Bottom plate cleaning I've had to do in the past when there's been like a little splodge of pure pigment landed outside the print area. But it's all here. The tools that come with the native software are really useful, and it helps to sort of get on board with those and become accustomed to them. Hope it helps anyway. Cheers.